How to fix if images are not showing in the gallery of Android device. So if you're not being able to see the images in your gallery and if they are being deleted automatically or something, then what you can do is you need to simply go for your photos and here tap on the library, which is on the bottom right, and go for the utilities section, and under your utilities you will have logged folder on the bottom of your screen. Tap on logged folder and then enter your fingerprint or your pin, and here you need to check your photos. So if you have your photos that you are finding, then you can simply tap on that photo, and once you've choose, go for move, which is on the bottom left, and then tap on move and move out of the locked folder. And once you've done that, you will have your image. But if it is not under the locked folder, then you can simply remove that, and then you can open up your settings on your device. Once you turn on your settings, once you open your settings, go for the apps. Under your apps, go for photos, and here tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've done that, go back and then tap on see all apps and go for the search, and then search for your gallery or your albums application, and then again go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Once you've cleared, now your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix if images are not showing in your gallery of your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.